Sensefinity, wherever you're from, welcome. Hello.
That's me, thank you.
Hello. Who are you? Where are you from?
I'm Orlando from Lisbon.
Okay. And so, do you want to do 2 minutes? Or do you want to explain? Okay. All right.
So
2 minutes, start right now. Your pitch, please.
So, Sensefinity. We were talking when I was at Machine to Machine at Nokia with lots of customers, and whenever we talked about machine-to-machine communications with our customers, it was quite apparent that most of the Internet of Things projects that you talked as of today are the big industry-led projects like smart metering or the smart car. Because really, if you face it, these are really big industries, there's lots of money involved there, and these people really can afford this kind of projects. But if you know that in the US, but also in Europe, 99% of the companies are small and medium enterprises, you very fast become aware of the gap that exists today between the possibilities that the Internet of Things bring and what really is available today in the market. So we see ourselves in the same point as 35 years ago when the IBM PC came out. Before the IBM PC, computing was really only for the big companies. After the IBM PC, computing was for everyone. And the same is with Internet of Things. Before there was a possibility to really lower the barriers for other entrants, Internet of Things is really only for the big players. For the small players, we need something new, and that's what Sensefinity is. You have out-of-the-box hardware, software, but also communications. It's really easy to use because you don't need to care about the cost of the telecommunications. It's diluted in the software as a service fee that you pay per sensor, and it's also carefree for you because you don't need to compute. You have already an application done for you. So it's really Internet of Things out of the box, really feasible for small and medium enterprises.
Excellent. Thanks. Perfect timing.
Thank you.
What's the hardware part that is involved? What do you deliver?
Yes. So we deliver a platform based on two hardware sensors. One is the gateway, which has the incorporated SIM with 600 roaming contracts worldwide. It's the second biggest roaming portfolio there is out there. Mm-hmm. And the second one is a mesh sensor node, which is based upon Bluetooth-like technology. So it's really available in the marketplace without any additional license. You can use it. And it talks to protocols. It talks Bluetooth Low Energy for your connection with your smartphone, but then it builds a proprietary mesh network inside that so that we can really use just one uplink for all those sensors and a mesh network to gather the rest of the sensor data.
Mm-hmm. What stage is your company? You've found big clients yet? Or?
We have some interesting clients, medium-sized enterprises, but since our goal is also to lower the barriers, we are very interested in small companies as well, because that really validates the market that we are targeting. So big customers are great for cash flow. Small customers are even greater for validity of the business case.
Mm-hmm. Anybody's invested yet? Or are you bootstrapping?
We have an angel fund.
Angel fund. Okay.
Angel investor.
How many are you, so? How many people in the company?
We are 11 now, together with our, so how do you call them? Student contractors.
Okay,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Excellent, excellent. What's the plan? Are you looking for a funding round right now, or are you
we are? Yes. Last year we were invited to MIT. We went visit Cambridge. We came to know the setup around there. So we are in contacts with that kind of people, and it's really interesting. So perhaps this year we go back with more customers, with a ready product, and look if it's the right time now to go to the US with the product. And also with the company.
Also with the company?
Yeah.
You're in the Valley, or where you go?
Yes.
Okay.
Not Valley, Cambridge.
Boston. Oh, Cambridge. Excellent. Have a seat, then we have a chat, the three of us. So, tell us a bit more about the history of your companies. Who came up with the idea, and what was the reason to go into that field?
Yeah, actually we are a kind of spin-off company of ex-UTM firewall vendor. You probably heard of Gate Protect, I don't know. And we've seen in the market that people or companies were buying IT security system with a bunch of features, and then only use like 7 or 5 of them, and 3 or 4 were really adjusted bad. On the other hand, we see these cloud environments coming up, and wanted to bring high-end IT security system used in big enterprises or SMEs to your home, and probably also to small companies that usually cannot afford IT security, and that do not have the expertise to run them.
What's your background? Of the founders, are you an IT engineer or
as
programmer?
I said, well, I'm studying business administration, but the background of the company is really IT security based, and the whole team was working at Gate Protect actually, and now runs the news project.
Who came up with the idea in your case? Was it
Actually,
yourself?
the market, because companies come to us and they want to go to the cloud, they want to use the technologies, but they don't find a valid platform out there which really benefits them for the budget they have, for the tight budget. Of course, if they go to an integrator and if they can master that kind of money, they will find solutions. They are out there, but it's not for their pocket. So the market asked us to help them.
And it proves to be the right way? What makes you
hope
sure?
so.
You look like, you both look like, you both look very optimistic. What makes you optimistic?
Because when you really see that you have a product that benefits small and medium enterprises, you understand that it's really the gateway for those enterprises to start using this kind of technologies. And I'm a guy from the city, and when I see farmers using our products to benefit their crops, to create more output, and we all know how rare it is to have earth, to have really production facility for this kind of product, it really shows you the potential that this kind of technology and information can bring to our customers worldwide. So it's really real benefit, so benefit always pays.
All right. Where will your company be in 5 years from now?
Well, hopefully you will still be the leading company in Europe for telco IT security. No. I think we want to challenge those big players, for example, Cisco, Juniper, etc. And make Internet of Things a little more secured. We want to protect you people, you guys, for next threats coming from the internet. And we don't even know what's coming up next. So.
All right. How about yourself? Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
So we will be SecuCloud's biggest client because we will be Internet of Things' biggest world provider.
Excellent. Well, you smile. Americans would have presented that as a fact. Anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you that you visited.